Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. Alright, so I'd like to start with the personalization. So let's go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down to find this Google section. Go to all services. No worries, you do not have to be logged in to be able to do that. Go to all services and scroll to find ads. And here we've got something which is called advertising ID. And resetting or removing it will not decrease the amount of ads you will receive. However, they won't be that personalized, which means that they will not show you, for example, the items which you've been searching for before, etc. So that's still quite nice option to do. To remove this personalization. So first of all, tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID, and tap on it. And as you can see, your device will completely remove it. And as I said, thanks to it, the ads won't be that much personalized. If we are in the settings, we can scroll up to find mobile network, I believe. No, sorry, connected devices. And here we've got this section where we've got DNS. So let's set it private. I mean, we've got it private because it is set on automatic. However, if we will set this option and here enter dns.adguard.com and make sure that there are not any kind of spaces between the dots, tap on Save. Your device will limit the advertisements for sure, the amount of them. Another thing is to consider removing the notifications from the apps which are showing you the advertisements. So let's pretend I'm getting a lot of advertisements from Play Store or from any other app. Let's simply tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Here we've got the section called Notifications, so let's simply tap on it. And here, as you can see, we've got different categories of those notifications. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those notifications, I mean the categories, and try to find something which is kind of connected with the advertisement. So for example, in my case, it sounds like an advertisement, so payment, deals, and recommendations. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher next to it in order to get rid of the notifications. If you cannot find a relevant category, and if you do not really need the notifications from this specific app, I highly recommend to simply tap on this switcher here to turn off the notifications completely. And as a last resort, I mean, maybe it's not a last resort, but I just wanted to mention that. I know it is quite obvious, but sometimes we actually forget about it. Let's go to the Play Store, go to search, and enter adblock. And I'm not talking only about the adblock which is connected with the browser, because we've got, for example, the adblock for the Opera, adblock for Chrome, adblock for, I don't know, Samsung Internet, etc. You know, for the specific browser. But we've got much more options nowadays. So, for example, we've got the ad blocker for Android, so you can simply download it and limit the advertisements which are shown on the Android, etc. Here we've got something called content blocker, so I really highly recommend to check the options which we've got here and download those which seem quite relevant. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.